Hey, what's going on, everybody? Richie Plemons, Plemons Lawn Landscape. So, had a couple guys ask me where I've been lately. Well, this is where I've been. What's going on, everybody? Richie Plemons with Plemons Lawn and Landscape. So, Tropical Storm Alberto kind of put a kink in our plans back home for mowing most of the week, so we decided to take advantage of it, spend a little time on the beach away from the storm, and then go back after the storm is gone, so it gives us a little vacation while not missing any kind of work or anything like that. So we're going to spend a few days at the beach, probably just a couple actually. We're not going to be here long. We're going to spend a couple days here, and then we got to get started cleaning up and get back to work and everything. So, but my wife's with me. Hey Jessica. Hey guys. And then we got everybody else that they're sitting down at the beach right now, hanging out at the down in the water. So we've been out there a little bit today and trying to teach them how to body surf. We're gonna have to get us a body board. So, but we do have some good waves today. They're probably, I'd say, somewhere between the range of 10 or 11 feet. Well, maybe not that much, but you know, close to 10 feet. So you got some good waves right now. But anyway, we're gonna get back to our little mini vacation here. All right, so back at work now, so fun has begun again. So I got Aaron over here doing the weed eating. We're gonna take care of this property here today, which I think you guys have probably seen on camera before, but I can't remember. You know, after a while you kind of forget. Had a ton of rain here last week. It rained for 10 straight days, so everything's pretty badly overgrown and we're getting it all back into shape, but we'll go ahead and get this one knocked out. Alright, there's another one. That's a centipede lawn. So some people don't know that's a centipede grass. A mixture of weeds and Bermuda in it. So that's 3 or 4 for today. I'm not even sure. You lose count after a while. But we got a bunch lined up today. Like I said, we had a bunch of rain last week. Put us all behind. So everybody say hello to Aaron.
How's it going? That is Aaron, that's one of my new guys. And we're slowly building a pretty good little team here, so getting it all put together and hopefully get some more video of these guys doing some work for me. So, but anyway, we've got, like I said, we've got 2 new properties that we're doing today. House and a set of apartments that are new, so may get those on video today if we can, so we're going to try to. But as you can see where I've been, I took a vacation last week. So guys, if you're not taking some time off, I know you're working hard and everything, but from time to time you got to take a vacation, you got to take some time off. I know it's hard to step away, but eventually you're going to have to get some time for yourself with you and your family, because if you don't take that time, then you're just going to be miserable all the time and you're just working to be working at that point. So if you've got too much that you can't take time off, then you're probably doing something wrong. So you need to make sure that you give your family their time as well, because they're the ones that support you and are behind you in this endeavor of owning your own business. So, but anyway, we're gonna get back to work and we'll see you guys shortly. All right, what's up, guys? All right, we're at another one here, and I know I had told you guys that I had gotten a new mower. It's a Ferris FW25 walk behind. I've got very little experience with a walk behind mower, so we're gonna put it on this yard and see how I do with it. I have played on it a little bit and getting a little used to it, but it's still not great. So we're gonna put it on this yard and see how I do, and hopefully I don't run over anything.
Atoms fall apart. Solar flares arrive. Buildings collapse. Only a few will survive. The world as we know it will no longer be there. Water is gone. A new era has begun. Prepare yourself for the apocalypse. The apocalypse. The heat is scorching. Forests burned up. The sky colors red. Volcanoes erupt. The world as we know it will no longer be there. Water is gone. A new era has begun. Prepare yourself for the apocalypse. Prepare yourself for the apocalypse.
Alright, so there they are, the Ferris FW25 walk behind, hydro walk behind, 48-inch cut. Got the Kawasaki 18.5 horsepower motor on it. Like I said, we hadn't really used it much. It's I've never really used many walk behinds, period, honestly. I think pretty much most people will tell you every lawn care company needs to have a walk behind on the truck. You just never know when you might get in the situation where you're going to need it. So we did end up picking this one up. We ended up buying this. Originally was just going to demo it, but we did end up buying the mower. I am going to need one eventually, so, and it works out great because we got a lot of smaller gated backyards. Most of the gates around here are over 48 inches, so we can put a 48-inch deck in there. So, and if I can't, then I've got my push mowers. I don't have anything large enough that I need to push mow for hours, so it worked out really good. Bought the 48. This is the first lawn I say this is the first lawn I've actually put it on that you know, for a customer. I have put it on my lawn and played with it for a couple of hours, just kind of getting used to controls, figuring out where the neutral and reverse and everything, kind of that little sweet spot there on the controls. So I am getting used to it, and like I said, this is the first lawn we put it on. We do have a few extra clippings this go around, just simply because, you know, I told you earlier in the video that we did have a ton of rain last week. I want to say it was 9/10 straight down. I mean, just a ton of rain, a lot of flooding, a lot of damage. You know, East Georgia, up in Helen, Georgia, I think, you know, their streets flooded really bad. I mean, we, you know, Tropical Storm Alberto done a number on this area, so, but just with a lot of rain, not so much the wind damage, but it was just rain, just dumped tons and tons of rain on us. So, but so there is a few extra clippings simply because we couldn't mow last week, which you guys seen why I couldn't mow last week. We were on vacation, so all my customers did know. All my customers, I made sure that they knew that we were on vacation and we wouldn't be there. So it kind of timed it just right. We're on vacation and then we had the pouring rain all week long, so it wasn't like we'd been able to mow anyway. So, but anyway, guys, we're gonna get to our next one. We've got about 6 more to do today. Like I said, we do have a new apartment complex that we picked up. We're starting on today. Going to be the first mow on it. Then we've got a landscape install that we're going to do also there. So that's coming up in a future video, the landscape install on that place. And we've got to get the trucking company done today and about 4 or 5 more houses. So let's get with it, make some money, and we'll see you guys in a little bit.
Alright, so we finished up another one. That's say number 9 on the day. Whew. Eyes are on fire, fellas. I tell you. Whew. I wouldn't say it's pollen, but it's something got my eyes absolutely burning the past couple of days. I don't know if it's some sort of grass or something that's growing, it just lighting me up, but never had any kind of allergies to grass or weeds, but I think I might be developing some. But anyway, we're gonna put one more on video and then we'll probably call it a day after that. As far as video goes, wanted to get on here. Like I said, I hadn't been on here in about a week or so on YouTube because we was on vacation. So, but anyway, let's get one more knocked out on video for you guys, and then we will we'll call it a day from there. Alright, so we're finished for the day. We couldn't video the new apartments because who actually pays us to do them forgot to tell the last company that they're no longer doing them, so they had already mowed them when we got there this morning. So or they had mowed them this morning, so when we got there this afternoon that was already mowed, so we don't have to worry about that for one more week. So next week we'll actually get to mow them for the first time, and we'll get that on video. So but anyway guys, we're finished for the day, and I'm gonna go in and get me a nice long shower, and I think we're gonna go to the local Mexican restaurant tonight and have Mexican food for dinner. So, but anyway guys, we'll see you guys in the next video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I hope everybody has a good night. We'll see you next time.